and welcome. Now today we're going to be changing the PC valve on this 2004 Pontiac Vibe, same as the Toyota Matrix 1.8. This is the one I'm using. These are very important to your engine and they're commonly overlooked. So let's get under here and change it. Now the first thing we're going to do is take off our valve cover. We're going to pop these tabs in the back. And then take 10 millimeter and take these two nuts off. Now here it is right back here on this back side of the valve cover. And be careful because sometimes like this clamp right here is obviously completely worn out. I should not be able to do that. So sometimes you can bend it back, get it tight, or just go ahead and swap clamps. Now we're going to move that clamp out of the way. Now what I did was loosen this end from the intake so I could twist, break it loose, and kind of twist and pull until it came off. Now I can get to the valve. Now I'm just going to take this 7/8 deep well, and you can see it is right here, easy to get to. Pretty gunky. Sometimes you can clean them. It's cheap enough that I went ahead and just bought a new one. Simply just start to thread it in. I basically got it threaded in pretty much all the way in by hand. So I'm just going to snug it down because we are threading into aluminum. There we go. Alright, what we're going to do now is reinstall the hose. If you're able to reuse a stock spring, great. If you got to use the other clamps, that's fine. I wasn't able to get the tension back on the factory clamp in order to use it. There we go. Now this one we can tighten up pretty good because it's on metal. This one is on plastic on your intake, and we don't want to crack anything, so we'll just snug it down. And there it is. And of course, reinstall the engine cover. Alright, there it is. It's changed. Simple, easy to do, and it can affect your engine greatly. Commonly overlooked. Now I hope this video proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.